Okay, hi, this is my first tutorial on how to make graphic pictures with GIMP or GIMP. And first, what you want to do is click on that little tool, gradient tool, I think it's called. And you can blend colors, like I use black and green. And then what you do is click on text if you want to add text. And I just put my name in. And then in the bottom left-hand corner, you can edit it in any way, like you can move it around, you can change the size and the text style, and then you can rotate it with the rotate tool. Um, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the layer so that there's two, and then flip it. You have to make sure it's vertical though, and then you can make it go below it so it kind of looks like a reflection, and you change the opacity to make it look faded and a little less light, to give it more of a reflection look. And then once you do that, you can go to your gradient tool again. You can add sort of a shadow, I guess, on the tips of it. Like there's all these default ones, but you click on the one I just chose, and you select a gray kind of color or any kind of shadow you want, and you have to select the text, which is I have to go right now. I'm just looking around for it, and then it takes me a little while, but I find what I'm trying to get to. So I'll tell you when I find it. Mm. If you try and do it without selecting, it'll fill up the box, so that's not really what you want. So, yeah, I kind of screwed up here. Mm. And this is only a demonstration of what I can make. Like, you can, if you want an image or something, see, I just found it. You just go to layer, select. If you want any kind of image, I can add that into the picture, like any kind of words or any other stuff. And in this video, I'll show you how to make some other things, like adding a neon line. And here, you just kind of make it shaded by kind of just pulling it down a little bit. But I'm trying to get it without filling the entire thing, so it's kind of like only the tips of it. And then I do the same exact thing for the reflection. I select it. If you don't want to select the same text, if you don't want like the dashed lines around your text, you just go to select by right clicking and select none. And then select your text again, add the gray line. It'll take a few tries though, so it's good to use the undo button. And this is a very good program for designing. It's free. Just look it up on Google. It's called GIMP or GIMP, just GIMP, however you want to call it. So I have my reflection done, and I select the background, so that's kind of what it looks like. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a neon line soon. First I'm trying to fix the text, but it doesn't work. And what you have to do for that is you have to create a new layer, which I'm going to do right now. So create a new layer in the Layers tab. Just click OK, and then you go to your tool that lets you make lines. You click, hold it down, and kind of point it at an angle so it bends like that. And then you just put it entwining around your text. Once you do that, you go down to the bottom left corner to stroke, and you go to stroke with paintbrush. Change it to white first, actually. So stroke, then you go to your filters tab. And if you want to change like the width of the line, just go to paintbrush before. But yeah. So go to your filters tab and go to alpha to logo and neon. And then you click on that, choose whatever color neon you want. So I'm going to pick a green shade. Then we'll generate it for you. And then what happens is, at first, it's going to get rid of your original background. So what you can do to get rid of that is just go and delete the layer. So you have it like that, but it's covering up your text. So what you want to do is take your eraser and start erasing it around where it goes into your text, so that it looks like it's going around it or behind it instead of in front of it. So you do that by selecting the neon tubes and the layers. And then there's kind of like a misty thing over it from the glow. And what you're gonna do is delete that by selecting the neon glow on the right hand side of the layer, where the layers are, right there. And get rid of that if you want to. If not, you can leave it as it is. It just depends on what you want. So you delete that by erasing it. If you want to keep the glow around it, or you can just take off the entire glow by changing what I'm doing right now. Just change the scale. Just get rid of the entire glow. So that's pretty much what it looks like. And right now I'm just going to kind of make it look a little better, move stuff around and center it. And this isn't really like a good copy. Like, it's not one of the best things I've ever done. It's just kind of like an example, and I haven't really cleaned it up or anything. So yeah, I'm going to center it, center everything, center the shade, center the line, and that's pretty much it. So subscribe, leave comments below, and check out my website. It'll all be in the link. And then just save your picture, and you're done. Bye.